Want to create a stunning promotional video for your brand in just 30 seconds? Introducing Fliki AI, an AI-powered tool that converts text into engaging videos with realistic voices. Ideal for content creators, Fliki effortlessly transforms written content into captivating videos. With high-quality visuals and realistic voices available in any language, Fliki brings your ideas to life through engaging and dynamic visuals. Whether you're creating videos for content creation, business and corporate use, marketing and social media, education, or any other purpose, Fliki is here for you. Let's take a look at how to create compelling videos. The first step is to sign up for Fliki by clicking on the Sign Up button. After sign up, click on Create a new file. Enter the file name. Select the aspect ratio and choose your preferred language. Select from available options such as Idea, Script, and many more. From the available options, click on Idea and provide your idea for the video. For now, let's input. Engaging promotional video for a website named leaveit2ai.com that lists all the latest AI apps. Then hit Submit. While your video is being generated, let me introduce you to a website where you can instantly find the perfect AI tools. Leaveit2ai.com. Are you looking for AI tools to streamline your work across various fields? Look no further than leaveit2ai.com. This directory lists AI tools that can automate tasks in education, marketing, content writing, blogging, management, and much more. Whether you're struggling to find the right AI solution or want to explore new possibilities, Leaveit2ai is your go-to resource. Our video is ready.
Have you ever wished you could find all the latest AI tools in one place? In the next few seconds, you'll discover how leaveit2ai.com can revolutionize your workflow. Imagine having every cutting-edge AI app at your fingertips. Leaveit2ai.com is your ultimate destination for the newest AI advancements.
You can edit the video to your preference by adding audio, background sounds, avatars, media, shapes, adjusting the duration, styles, and more. Once you have finished editing, click on the download button to save the video to your system and share it with others. Look how the Fliki video creation is so simple. Ready to create your own stunning marketing videos effortlessly? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Leaveit2ai, for more tutorials and videos.